Hello, everyone. In our latest updates, we added a new feature that will allow you to upsell and offer more products to the clients on your Spread Simply websites. That is related items feature that allows you to recommend more products on your product pages. So today, let's quickly review that feature and learn how to set it up on your website. To do that, we go first to the website editor, to the details page. On the details page, we scroll down and find the related item slider and turn it on. Now we can set up, here's that section. Now we can set up the look of that section. First, let's name it. I'll name it like this. You can set whatever name you want. Then we need to set up the look of the cards. It can be a table like this or a smaller one. I prefer cards personally. And then we select the card size. I'd rather go with smaller ones. Note that on a published website, the cards will be aligned to the left side, so it's better to create more recommended items for it to look pretty. So at least four smaller cards. So now that we set up the look of the section, the last thing we do is we select the method by which the items will be recommended on your website. The easiest option is to go with random items, and the system will choose randomly products to recommend on each details page. The other option is to select them by category. For that, you choose the Google Doc column that shows the category of the product. Typically, it's named category, naturally. And now for fruits, for example, we'll have recommended other fruits. And the most interesting and a little bit more complex option is to select the items manually. Here, for that, we select this last option, selected SKUs. And for this option to work, we need to create a new column in the Google Sheets document where we will recommend the selected SKUs. Now let's go to the Google Sheet and create that column. I'll call it related items. And here we just need to add the SKUs of the products we want to recommend. So for Granny Smith apples, I want to recommend, for example, these other apples that we have. So I just add the SKU, and then after a comma, I just add the next item. Let's do lemon. We don't add space or anything, just commas. And strawberries. And the fourth item, let's do pineapple. Okay. So this is ready, and we will have to repeat this for every item that you have and we want to show recommended options for. So now we go back to the website editor and refresh the Google Sheet for that column to show in the settings. Okay, now that it's refreshed, let's go see what we have. So let's select that newly created column, related items. And here it is, all the products that we chose for the apple. So now let's save, and then we can publish, and it will be ready on the website. So this is it. Hope you find this feature useful. Please share how you like it in our social media. Have fun.